Dimension Annotation Module Function Introduction. Edit Dimension. Dimension Break. This command splits, equally divides, or adds dimension strings. Click the Dimension Break function. Select the dimension to be split. Positioning base point is close to the specified location. There are 3 ways to break a dimension line. The first method is to specify the dimension breakpoint. The second method is to enter the break length. The third method is to enter the number of equal segments. Left-click outside the dimension line to add a new segment. Dimension break completed. Dimension merge. This command merges adjacent dimensions. Click the Dimension Merge function. Select the dimension to be merged. Adjacent dimensions merged. Operation completed. Overlap avoidance. This command resolves overlapping dimensions. Click the Overlap Avoidance function. Select the dimensions to overlap processing. Overlapping dimension adjustment completed. Width alignment. This command aligns selected dimensions with a specified point along their annotation direction. Click the Width Alignment function. Select the dimensions to align. Specify the alignment point for dimension width. Dimension width alignment completed. Line length alignment. This command aligns the dimension line of a selected dimension with a specified point. Click the Line Length Alignment function. Select the dimensions to align. Specify the alignment point for dimension line length. Dimension line alignment completed. Position alignment. This command aligns the dimension line of the selected dimension with a specified point. Click the Position Alignment function. Select the dimensions to align. Specify the alignment point for dimension position. Position alignment completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.